Can you believe a Bitcoin sold for $1.69 million? $1,690,000. That's, I don't know how I missed this, but we're going to take a look at that. We're going to talk about this huge auction of physical Bitcoins at Stacks right now. And we're going to talk about the most valuable coin in the world, even exceeding the 1933 St. Gaudens. It is actually the most valuable, and it's not something from Mars like in my last video either. But first, here are my Google apps. I don't have any iTunes apps yet. I tried. I'm still working on that. But this is my new version of the Mint Error coin guide. This is the old version. I still have the old version up so people can use it. But the new version, I'm adding new material to it, but it's also a website. You can go over to my coinauctionshelf.com and you can visit this if you have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. I don't even have these apps on my phone. Grade Your Coin, and I also have a new app for that, updating. I'm transitioning over. These are free apps. They don't cost any money. If you click on it, there's ads. You click the ad, they might charge. I don't know. I don't charge. That you can click the ad off and scroll down through, and not all the time ads don't always come up, but any website you go on, including me, I run into these ads. The thing about this, and just like Portsmouth Coin and Currency over here is my website where I sell coins. It's American owned, family owned. You know, I'm a small town guy, and these are the things that I created. I've had an apps up on Google Play since 2010. I used to have an iTunes back then. I started this coin shop here in a little small town. We're American owned, guaranteed, accurate, honest. Make sure that, you know, the information you get is what it is, because I've just seen too many ads and from these other coin snaps, and they're showing you values that are completely out of line. They're not accurate. Not in that sense. Maybe they'll help you identify your coin. I don't mind. Apps don't take pictures of coins. They don't do that yet. So anyways, let's take a look at this, man. This is something else. Something that I learned about these Bitcoins, they're obviously physical Bitcoins, and I knew that. But something I didn't know is this one here is a 2011 Bitcoins 1 Bitcoin card. And this is crazy because back in 2011, I literally had someone offer me a Bitcoin for a coin that I sold on eBay. And I told them that, you know, I don't know about that. I don't know if I want to get into that, you know, and I turned it down. And, you know, it would have been about 28 bucks, I think it was. I wish I would have back then, but I didn't. So I was kind of stupid. I missed the boat on that. But anyway, looking at this one here, this particular one here, it says loaded with 1 BTC, 1 Bitcoin. It says a landmark rarity that represents the precursor to the entire physical crypto category. BitBills was created by Douglas Feigelson of Cincinnati, Ohio. Cincinnati, Ohio. I mean, that's just 2 hours up the road here. And the first cards were released in May of 2011, predating the earliest coins from Cassius series by about 6 months. They established the basic format of protecting a private key beneath a security seal that continues to be utilized by physical crypto producers even to this day. Feigelson even filed an application to patent the concept on December 23rd of 2011. So this is his patented version. Right now it's at 55,000, authenticated by PCGS. But anyway, Stacks and Bowers has all these going, and we're talking 30,000, 55,000. This, like I said, it's amazing. You know, when you don't think of crypto, you don't think of physical, but there is physical versions here of some of these. Well, a lot of them have been cashed in. You know, some of these are really rare. That's the reason. This one was graded Mint State 67. I don't know how you grade using the same alphanumeric grades that you grade our coins with, because it doesn't circulate. It shouldn't have contact marks. It's kind of weird. I don't know. But anyways, it is what it is, and this is what it is, whether you like it or not. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see, looks like some poker chips. If you're into that thing, some of them are precious metals, gold, silver, and they're all, you know, pretty good bids on all of them here. But the one that Cincinnati, Ohio, that's close to home. Didn't realize that. I learned something new reading that when I was going through some of these. And then this one here. I did miss this sell. This was the 2011 25 of Bitcoin sold for $1.69 million. It's amazing. Irvine, California. It says the baby cast, what they call it. The physical coin issued by Casasius in 2011 realized $1,698,750 at Great Collections on Sunday. That was in 2021. So over 100 bids were received. Total sales for the single day of the auctions exceeded 5.25 million. It says the physical Bitcoin was graded by PCGS Midstate 67, attracted the attention of over 200 bidders. And it says with over 10,000 page view, the final price represented a $49,700 premium over the price of Bitcoin at the time that bidding ended. Yeah, that's says that Baby Cast was graded by PCGS alongside the Holy Grail crypto physical coins, the Gold Cast, a 1 ounce gold coin with 1,000 Bitcoin. That's amazing. The current value of the Gold Cast exceeds 60 million, is by far the most valuable coin in the world, despite being issued only 10 years ago by a private company. So here's the 1,000 Bitcoin physical coin submitted by Great Collections to PCGS. $48 million is Gold Cast purchased in 2011 for only $4,905. And look at that. Look at the return. It's not seen for a decade. And PCGS graded this coin proof 70 DCAM. And this, I mean, it completely wiped out any other coin values here. That kind of blows my mind. The most valuable coin in the world is a Bitcoin. I mean, that's amazing. I mean, we didn't even think of that, but it's a coin. It's actually traded, and people put my real money in it. It's worth something because people say it's worth something. People can say it's not worth anything all they want, but it's worth just as much as that dollar in your wallet or the gold in your safe. It just is because we say it's worth money. Everything has a value because we say it's worth something. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.